Welcome back, explorers. Day 2 in Austria begins. Snowy peaks, alpine dreams. Today we chase the magic of the mountains. After a beautiful and truly memorable stay at Alpenpark, we woke up with hearts full of gratitude and excitement. As the morning sun gently kissed the mountains goodbye, we packed our bags and set off towards the next destination of our road trip, the majestic Austrian Alps. Austria's landscape is nothing short of breathtaking. Every turn of the road unveils a new surprise: rolling green meadows, crystal clear lakes, charming alpine villages, and the towering mountains that seem to touch the sky. It's a country that constantly amazes you, making you pause, admire, and fall in love all over again. It had always been our immense wish to explore the true alpine side of Austria, and what better destination to fulfill that dream than the iconic Dachstein Mountain Peak? Nestled in the heart of the Salzkammergut region, Dachstein is surrounded by dramatic limestone cliffs, vast glaciers, and panoramic valleys that stretch endlessly into the horizon. The landscape here feels raw, powerful, and untouched. Since we had booked our entry tickets in advance, everything felt smooth and hassle free. As we boarded the cable car and began our ascent, the world below slowly faded away. The higher we climbed, the more magical it felt. Snow covered peaks, drifting clouds, and an endless white canvas surrounded us. It truly felt like entering another world, almost like stepping into heaven. The silence, the purity of the air, and the overwhelming beauty left us speechless. At over 2,995 meters above the sea level, the Dachstein offers breathtaking 360-degree views of the Austrian Alps. The icy winds brush past you, the snow crunches beneath your feet, and the time seems to slow down. Visiting the Dachstein Mountain Peak is not just about reaching the top. It's about immersing you in a world where nature, adventure, and serenity come together beautifully. Every corner of this mountain offers something unique, something unforgettable. One of the most iconic experiences at Dachstein is the Dachstein Skywalk. Standing on this glass platform, suspended high above the valleys, you feel like you are floating in the air. As you look down, the vast alpine landscape unfolds beneath your feet. Steep cliffs, snow-covered slopes, and endless mountain ranges. It's thrilling, slightly intimidating, yet incredibly empowering. This is where fear meets fascination and courage turns into awe. Dachstein offers multiple panoramic viewpoints where you can simply pause and absorb the beauty around you. On clear days, you can see far across the Austrian Alps with peaks rising and falling like waves. For vloggers and photographers, Dachstein is a visual paradise. The contrast between white snow, blue skies, and rugged cliffs creates stunning frames from every angle. Just a few steps away lies the famous Stairway to Nothingness. These narrow glass steps lead you outward into the open space surrounded by clouds and sky. After exploring the peak, take a moment to relax at the mountain restaurant. Sipping a warm drink while gazing out at the snow-covered Alps is a simple yet deeply satisfying experience. After spending a few unforgettable hours at Dachstein, we began our journey towards Salzburg. This part of our trip was reserved for private moments with our friends, time filled with laughter, conversations, and memories we wanted to keep close to our hearts. So, we decided not to include this in our vlog, making it a precious and cherished moment before our return to Oslo. Day 2 of our Austria journey was nothing short of extraordinary. From the peaceful farewell at Alpenpark to standing atop the majestic Dachstein Peak, every moment felt surreal and deeply fulfilling. Austria once again reminded us why it holds such a special place in every traveler's heart. With hearts full of memories and eyes still dreaming of alpine peaks, we end today's vlog right here. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. We promise to be back with more adventures in the next vlog. Until then, goodbye, take care, and see you again very soon.